Rumors have been swirling about an iPhone 17 Air, and if the latest leaks are true, Apple might be working on one of the thinnest iPhones ever. While we've already seen some low-res leaked images, a new realistic concept gives us a much clearer look at what this sleek device could actually look like in the real world. Thanks to Weiss Studio, this concept showcases the iPhone 17 Air in someone's hands, and it's looking insanely slim. Leaks suggest that the phone will be just 5.5mm thick, which is wild compared to the iPhone 16 Pro at 8.25mm. To put that in perspective, even the iPhone 6, the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever released, was 6.9mm. If these numbers hold up, the iPhone 17 Air could be as slim as the M4 iPad Pro, which is only 5.3mm thick in its 11-inch version. The concept also highlights a striking design shift, with a single-lens rear camera housed in a horizontal bar layout. That's a big change from the multi-camera setups we've come to expect on modern iPhones, but it makes sense if Apple is really going all in on an ultra-thin design. Of course, that kind of slimness comes with trade-offs. To achieve it, Apple might have to ditch extra camera lenses and shrink the battery size compared to the Pro models. As for where this new model fits in the lineup, rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Air will replace the Plus model, sitting between the base iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Pro. It's expected to feature a 6.6-inch OLED display with a higher refresh rate, possibly 90 Hz instead of the Pro's 120 Hz. Under the hood, it will likely debut Apple's in-house 5G modem, rumored to launch next week, alongside the new A19 chip, which should help with battery efficiency. If this ultra-slim iPhone is real, it could be Apple's way of shaking up the smartphone market and enticing customers who haven't been excited by recent models. A thinner design might be exactly what people want, but will it be worth the trade-offs? So, would you pick a sleek and lightweight iPhone over a bigger battery and extra camera features? Let us know what you think in the comments. Until next time, take care.